Welcome to Shop Manager Generator Nodes Episode 1. The regular output setup in Blender looks something like this. I have render layer node, a composite node, and a file output node for any extra passes. Now we could export a multi-layered EXR that contains all of our layers and passes, but that is rather limited. Sometimes we need more flexible, organized, and automated control over what we're outputting. I'll start by adding a shot output node. Then click the little add button. Immediately we have an out socket and a generator node attached. And already we have a generated file output node with all of our render layers and sockets connected. But I want to limit the output passes to image, shadow, and AO. I can enter them in pass filters. I change the filter method to include, then search or manually enter the desired passes. And you'll need to make sure that these passes are actually enabled in your render layer settings. Adjustments such as these outside of the node space will require a manual refresh. As you can see, I now only have connected sockets for image, shadow, and AO. If you want to change these pass names, click on the generator node, open the side panel, and in the output pass mapping, click add. Here I can change image to RGBA. And it has automatically rebuilt the file outputs. To make additional output groups, simply add more sockets and generator nodes. Perhaps in this group, I only want to render the mist pass. So I'll go to Filters, Include, Mist. Manual entry is not case sensitive. When using the default path settings, each pass group will be output to a subfolder sharing the generator node's name.